Hi friends, in previous video we have discussed about rationalizing factor, right? We have discussed about rationalizing factor. What is rationalizing factor? If the product of two surds is a rational number, then each of them is a rationalizing factor of other. We have also seen one example. What is that example? Suppose what are the rationalizing factors of 6 root 3? Okay, what are the rationalizing factors of 6 root 3? Simply convert this into rational number. With which number if you multiply it will convert to a rational number. Suppose if I multiply 6 root 3 by root 3. If I am multiplying 6 root 3 by root 3, what you will get? 6 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square, square and root will cancel. 6 3 is 18. You are getting 18. 18 belongs to rational numbers or not? Rational numbers will indicate by Q. So 18 belongs to rational number. So whenever a number on multiplying with some other number, whenever it is converting into the rational number, then this root 3 is called rationalizing factor of this 6 root 3. Okay, this root 3 is called rationalizing factor of this 6 root 3. This I have explained in the previous video very clearly. If anybody not understood, please visit my previous video. Okay, so this is the small revision of what is rationalizing factor. Clear? So, and we have solved some of the examples of a rationalizing factor also in previous classes. Okay, so today we are going to discuss rationalizing, okay, rationalization of monomial surds. Rationalization of monomial surds. Rationalization of monomial surds. What is monomial surd? Monomial surd means I have already told you. What is monomial surd? Monomial surd is nothing but simple surd. Okay, monomial surd or simple surd. Okay, what is monomial surd? Suppose if I write root 3, is it a monomial surd? Right. 2 root 3 and fifth root 3. All these are monomial surds? Yes, because it contains only single term. Single term. So that's why here also single term, here also single term, here also single term. All these are comes under simple surds or monomial surds. All these are in the form of nth root a. Okay, all these are in the form of nth root a or not. So all these surds will come under monomial surds. Now nth root a is the simplest form of a surd, right? If you want to find a rationalizing factor for these monomial surds, that means nth root a is the simplest form. If you want to find rationalizing factor for this nth root a, simply you have to remember this formula. Nth root of a power n minus 1. Okay, nth root of a power n minus 1 is the rationalizing factor of this monomial surd. Okay, suppose let's take one example. Root 125. Okay, root 125. Here nothing is there means 1, right? Here nothing, here nothing is there means 2, right? Because square root no. So now I want a rationalizing factor of this. Okay, I want a rationalizing factor of this. What will be the rationalizing factor? Okay, 2, n value is 2, right? 2 root a means what here? What is the value of a? A means what here? A means 125 only, no? So 125 whole power n minus 1. What is n minus 1? N means what? 2. 2 minus 1. What is the value of 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. So you will get 125. Okay. 2 root 125 you are able to get. What is 2 root 125? What is 2 root 125? Okay. Can we write 125 like this? 25 5 is a 125. Again 25 means simply you can write 5 cube, right? 5 cube. 5 square into 5. Okay. So this 2 I am removing, no problem. Okay. So 2 means nothing but square only, no. So I am removing that. Okay. Now here square and root will cancel. Only root 5 you are going to get. 5 root 5 you are going to get. 5 root 5 means what? Root 5 is the rationalizing factor. Root 5 is the rationalizing factor of root 125. Okay, root 5 is the rationalizing factor of root 125. Is that clear? Okay, Similarly there is one more formula. Suppose if you have like this, if mth root of a power n, okay, your surd is in the this form, mth root of a power n, then your rationalizing factor should be mth root of a power m minus n. This is your rationalizing factor. Okay, suppose take one example. One example is fifth root of 36. Okay, we need to find rationalizing factor of this fifth root of 36. Here what is the m value? M value is 3. Fifth root of 36, root 36. 36 can be written as 6 square, right? 36 can be written as 6 square. So here now what is the rationalizing factor for this? You apply this formula. Now here m is equals to what? 3. N is equals to, sorry, m minus n is equals to 2. Okay, simply m means 3. Now here the value of 6, a means, what is the value of a? That is nothing but 6. M minus 2 we got, m minus n we got 2. Okay, so from here root 6 square means what you are going to get? Fifth root means you will get fifth root of 6 now. So fifth root of 6 is going to be the rationalizing factor. Fifth root of 6 is going to be the rationalizing factor of fifth root 36. Is that clear? Okay, this is how to do rationalizing factors of monomials. Clear? Thank you.